By the time we say goodbye to most cars and trucks in our long-term test fleet, they've passed the point of familiarity and sometimes competence. We're hard on a vehicle, so you know what they'll be like after several years of ownership. But our 2002 Subaru WRX is that rare car that continued to surprise us from mile 1 through mile 13,495 and the 9 months in between. Our driver's choice pick for best sports sedan proved both tenacious in the twisties and with standard all-wheel drive, totally confident in the wet and cold. Even if the 55 Series performance tires are not a good choice for snow, we always got where we needed to go. While the 2-liter turbocharged 227 horsepower flat 4 is high-strung and happiest out on the highway, it still delivers a swift kick in the pants around town and an average of 23 miles per gallon with the pedal often to the floor. What didn't we like about the WRX? Not much. On really hot summer days, the air conditioning couldn't keep pace, and the engine sounded a bit strained. The clutch got noisy too. The black cloth seat fabric also holds a lot of heat and almost always looked dirty, picking up every little piece of lint. But those minor foibles sure wouldn't keep us from owning one. Indeed, with a $24,000 base price, that's about half that of a BMW M3, the Subaru WRX is the most fun you can have on 4 wheels and stay out of jail. But for those that get their fun off the beaten path, as on the beach, in the mountains, or anywhere else extreme sports are king, try this innovative Subaru, the 2003 Baja. It's more than a reincarnated brat. The Baja is a cross between the all-wheel drive Outback station wagon and a small pickup truck that includes a door into the interior. Intrigued? Well, we are. Enough to make Baja the newest arrival for our extended term test fleet, which also includes this new 2003 Ford Expedition, up for its first long-term review on our next report.